Hi and welcome to another episode of 10 Minute Makes. My name is Marcie and today I thought I would share with you a treat idea I had for the craft fair that I'm doing at the end of the month. And it's these little cloche containers. I picked these up at Amazon. I think there was 36 in a package and I'll link it down below. I don't remember the price, but I think it comes out to be like 60 cents or something. And then the Ferrero Rocher, you get 42 in that container. And so I'm going to use the 36 and then my husband is going to get a few treats. So I used this little, this is just a piece of paper that I had, and I have this clustered or layered, not layered, clustered little doily edges. So I used the smallest one and we're going to put that in the bottom. And then this ribbon is from Temu, but Amazon also has this ribbon. And then I have some little flatbacks to add an embellishment, and let's set the timer and we'll see what we can do. And then close this up and then add some ribbon. And let's see, let's go that way. And since it's fabric, I am going to use the fabric tack on the side here. And you don't have to fill these with like the Ferrero Rocher. They are a more expensive candy. So you could do like, you know, jelly beans or M&Ms or things like that. And so we have a cute little drape on the side. Let me wipe my hands off. And I'm going to put a little bit more right here. Set that aside. And then I have this, and I don't know if this will be too small, but I just wanted something a little dainty. I was thinking about selling these for 2 for $4, but I don't know. I'll see, and then if that's too high of a price, then I'll plan accordingly. I'll just throw that across the thing there. And then let's see, I have these little discs that we can change up the colors. And do another. And That one's a little bit wobbly. I need to probably fix that. Then we have one more. Do a pink one. Get it off my finger. And again, you don't have to put the candies in them right now. I probably could have done more had I not wasted the time to do that part, but I wanted you to see. You could do a bunch of mints in here. These are also really cute to do for weddings and parties. My parents celebrated 50 years anniversary last year, and so I made these were the favors that I gave to everybody. And they were a pretty big hit, so I'm hoping that the craft fair will be the same. I think it's a pretty popular candy, at least in this area. Okay, and then we'll get a there it is. I'm trying to put So here are today's 10-minute makes, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you tomorrow and have a magnificent day. Bye-bye.